video I'll show you how you can create Flash USDT. Now follow my steps. First go to remix.ethereum.org and click on create new file and new blank file and type usdt.sol. We will use this code to make Flash USDT. Now select all the code and copy and paste here into Remix. Close it and now go to Solidity compiler. Choose the compiler version 0.8.30 and click on compile usdt.sol. And now go to deploy and run transaction. Choose environment, browser extension and injected provider MetaMask. My account is now connected. Unlock your MetaMask wallet. You need 0.03 and some extra Ethereum to pay gas fee. And now go to deploy and verify section. Type the token name Tether and the token symbol USDT. Now click on transact and on max fee field type 1 and confirm. Now deploy the contract, confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Wait for a few moments. So transaction is complete. You can close the extension. Now go to deployed contract section. This is very important step. Now copy the deployed contract address and now go to etherscan.io and paste your address. So we have just created this new contract address. So we have to send here 0.03 Ethereum. You can copy from Etherscan also to make sure everything goes right. Paste your contract address and type 0.03 to create 30,000 Flash USDT. You can use 0.05 Ethereum to create 50,000 USDT. So confirm. So transaction is complete. Let's refresh the page to see. So we have sent. Let's refresh the page. So our balance is now showing on our contract address. Let's go back to Remix. Our balance is also showing in our Remix. Now click on start and again do the same on maxi field type 1 and confirm. Confirm again on MetaMask. So transaction is now complete. Close the extension and now click on withdraw. Again do the same on maxi field type 1 and confirm. Confirm on MetaMask also. So we have done all the process. Now close the extension and let's open our MetaMask and check. Alright, so we have received 30,000 Flash USDT. Now you can transfer it to any wallet or exchange or any betting platform. So if you have any queries, you can contact me on Telegram. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it.